Hello, friends. I'm so excited to share something truly special with you today. My brand new Sunshine Stitch Letter Club. This is a little corner of joy I've created for anyone who loves slow stitching, handcrafting, and the magic of handwritten letters. Every month, you'll receive a beautifully designed one-page letter delivered right to your mailbox, full of short stories, whimsical sewing tips, hand stitching inspiration, and a touch of vintage charm. If you like getting a hug in an envelope, something to treasure, display, or keep your projects in, then this is the best part. It's all about slowing down, enjoying the process, and connecting with other women who love creating as much as you do. So right here is what you will be receiving in the mail. Each of my beautiful decorated collage envelopes will be filled with one original artwork greeting card, one Slow Stitch Times newsletter, and one Sunshine Stitch Letter Club letter from me. And also a very beautiful collage trading card that you can use and put in any journal. And each of the letters is sealed with a wax seal image. This one's going to have a butterfly. So you might be the first one to receive this amazing and fun and whimsical and old-fashioned snail mail Sunshine Stitch Letter Club letter from me. And I hope that you will be getting this to your mailbox very soon. Whether you're just starting your stitching journey or have been sewing for years, the Sunshine Stitch Letter Club is a chance to celebrate creativity, imagination, and the little joys of handmade life, all from the comfort of your home. So, if you'd like to join our community and start receiving a little sunshine in your mailbox each month, click on the link below to sign up. I can't wait to stitch, share, and connect with you through our letters. I hope to see you soon. Have a beautiful sunshine stitch day. Bye-bye. So here's a little peek again at the envelope and everything that will come in it. So the envelope can be used in your junk journal as a pocket. The greeting card can also be used as another little journaling spot, as well as this fabric index card, collage index card. And everything is put in this beautiful envelope that I collage myself with this beautiful bee-themed paper. And then it is wrapped in a bee-themed tissue, and then that is what will come into the mail to you. So each newsletter is going to be on a monthly basis, and every fictional letter from me is on a monthly basis. So it's a little story every month and a lot of amazing, cute, whimsical, fun adventures at the sewing room.